JJ, back up.
A simple design for a coaster. I hope you guys like these little sped up videos that have a little less information but are a little bit more fun and easy to watch. If you'd like to see more like this, please let me know in the comments below. I might put them out occasionally. So I do want to say thank you to everyone for watching, but particularly I want to say thank you to those on the Wood by Wright Hive Mind, particularly Russell for suggesting these ideas. You guys have helped me be better in the shop. So thank you for that. If you'd like to find out more about that or to help out with Patreon, you can find the link right down here. Also, you can subscribe and see some behind the scenes footage. That's about it for today. Until next time, have a wonderful day.